Welcome to my video. So today we're going to learn how to build automation with JavaScript using shell scripts plus Node.js. So what we're going to do is we'll be able to run the command in the terminal in Linux. I use Linux. So when we run it, so we can create the repository in my GitHub account. So let's see how the result look like. So in here my command is Java, so this one. So in my Javas there's a lot of things that we can do. So this is, we can push repository, we can create repository, or this is the get the message from the slacks. So let's do it. So right now I have my food folder right here. So in food folder I have index.html, so I want to push it to this one. So I would do Javas repo create food. So then I will refresh this one. Alright, sorry for this one. So here, as you can see, now we'll be able to create the food folder in the GitHub. Alright, so let's see how we do it. So here I'm using VS Code, so you can use whatever you want. So the only we need is the env file. So here you put your personal information, your token, your profile in here. So here I create the index.js file and also friday.sh. So you can call this whatever you want. Alright, so here what we're gonna do. First we're going to create a repo, delete it, we push to our GitHub, and then we update our projects. So in order to create our repository, so we need to use this library right here, AutoKit.rest. So we're going to install it, npm init-y, and after that we run the command. Actually I copy from this one, so copy. Okay, so then now have to install this one, and one more we need is .env, so then we can access the env file from here. Right, great. So now we run npm i.env. Okay, set up. So we do requires .env and then config, so then we'd be able to use our environment variable. So I'm going to close this one. Alright, so now we already installed the AutoKit rest. So then what we're going to do is to import it to our projects. So AutoKit equals require and rest right here. So then first we need to build the client with new AutoKit. Alright, so what we're gonna do is to const client. So this is, you can call whatever you want, so I call the client with auth, and then we new AutoKit, this one. So we're gonna auth dot process process.env.token. So this is the token that we get from the GitHub. So I will show you how to get this one. Actually you can go to GitHub, to your profile. Alright, sorry. Then we go to developer setting. Alright, so in here there's you go to personal and then you click create here. So I already created, so I don't need to. If you don't have, you just go to here and get the token. After that you put your token inside your env file, and then you use the .env to get it. So for now let's just test this out. So after we do this, we can be able to do create repository using it. So repo.create. Alright, oops, sorry. create for authentication user. So then I will do this. Just name. This name is just your folder name. Let's say I'm doing testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, cool. So now if I run the command right here, just I do node, usually I do ls node index.js. So after we be able to create the repository in our GitHub. So let's see, run the command right here. Now it's done. So if we go back to our repository, alright, click here. So you can see right here we got testing 1, 2, 3. So now we be able to do this, and actually we just need one more, is to delete. So this one we create repo, and one more is delete repo. Alright, so client, oops, client with us.repo.delete. So in here what we need is the owner. So the owner is the username. So actually the username is my name, so hey, right here as you can see. So and also the repo folder name. So our folder name is testing 1, 2, 3, right? So okay, everything. So then here is the promise. We do handle that. So data. Actually, I'm gonna console.log.data or .catch, and then we do e for the error. Go console the error. Right. Actually, right here, I'm just not going to. It's like I'm going to say here successfully and delete repo. Right, great. So then I'm just command this one because we want to delete it, right? So back in our command, we'll be able to run this one. Oh, sorry. It's it's supposed to be arrow function from here in here. Alright, let's do it again. So it might take a long time. Alright, so it successfully deleted. So if we refresh this one, so voila. So we can see we can delete it. Right now if I want to delete food, so right here you can see food right here. So we'll be able to doing so, just changing our repository name to food. Alright, great. So then I would be able to run the command again. Okay, we successfully delete repo, and we refresh the page. Now food is gone. Voila, easy like that, right? Alright, so now we have the function to create and also delete already. So let's see how we're going to use this with our shell, and we're not going to do Node.js here. We're gonna do like Friday repo create or delete, something like that. Alright, so in shell script, so alright, so we're done with the JavaScript. So right now let's go back to shell script. So here in shell script I create a friday.sh. so this is, if you in window you have to put this one. So right now we're going to test out where we run our script. So we do friday.sh. oh no, actually we do bash friday.sh. so you can see we can echo hello world. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is to do the create repo, and so first what I'm gonna do is to check the condition if the command 1 is equal to repo, and then alright, actually I will show you what is the hashtag one does. So if I echo one, now when I run the bash Friday, I do repo, so then it will get the first argument. This is just get a argument from the our shell script. So I'm checking if that one is equal repo. I'm gonna run the our JavaScript file. Right, so I'm do this one repo, then if this equal repo, actually it be string right here. Right, careful with this one. So if you put like this, it will as an error. So you have to do the same as I do. So we need to run node. So actually, what we're gonna do is to get the pwd of our file right here. Copy this one, then paste it here. And then we run node this one, and actually index.js, and so here we're gonna get the second argument from our shell script and then pass it into our JavaScript. So here I'm gonna take the second argument and also the third argument. Alright, so you will see why I'll do this. Alright, so when I do this, because I need to do, I'm going to run like bash. I'm gonna run Friday, bash Friday.sh. So repo here is just the first argument. So we're gonna get the first argument, check if it equal this one right here. If it's true, then we're going to get the second argument. So actually I'm going to create, and then this is our folder name. Alright, so then I'm gonna pass this one into our JavaScript to handle this one. Alright, so for now, here, after running this one, I go back to my Node.js. So then I'm going to get the variable, so let cmd equal to process.aorg index 1. So index 1 here we get the first argument, which is create, and let folder name equal process.ag wait 2. So here's the here. So I'm gonna check if the cmd here equal to create, then I'm going to run this one with the folder name. Alright, so just doing the same thing here. If the cmd equal to delete, I'm going to run this one with the folder name as well. Alright, great. So so let's test it. So here pass this one equal repo. So then alright, let's test this one. Oh, there's one more thing that we need to do. So we need to run this one from anywhere. So in order to do that, we need to do process.env. Oh no, process.change their name. Alright, so then we are able to run this one anywhere. Not anywhere, but I mean when we call this one, we have to do that. We need to change our directory. So later on I'm gonna change the Friday to somewhere else. Alright, so let's test it. Bash friday.sh repo create food. There's some error. Where is that? It's called line 8. Oh, actually I need to put this one final. So it create food. If we go here, oops, it's not working. Strange. Alright, that actually okay. Because this is supposed to be 2 and this is supposed to be 3. So second, I'm confused. So if we run it again, alright, I'm sure this time it's worked. Right, if we refresh this one, alright, voila. So you can see now we'll be able to create the repository from our command prompt. How cool is that? Alright, so like now we want to delete food. Alright, yeah. Friday. Alright, come on. Cool. So now if we refresh, now our food is gone. Alright, so okay, so we almost done. So then what we need to do next is we don't want to run the bash Friday, right? So we want just to run Friday or whatever your bot is. So that's what we want. So in order to do that, we need to first. So I don't want to run sh Friday, so I'm gonna to rename this one just only sh right here. Alright, cool. So I'm going to copy this one into my user bin, so you can follow if you're on Linux. So sudo cp Friday. So when we do this, so we can run Friday anywhere we want. So user-bin. Alright, so now I need to type my password real quick. Alright, great. So now I already do it past my Friday. So now let me do this. So I'm open a new terminal. So I want my Friday to create my repo. So I do repo create food. Permission in. Oh, I see. All right, good. So before we copy, I'm going to remove this one. Remove Friday back. So of users bin Friday. Alright, so before we're going to push this one, we need to allow it to access our file. So in here, where do I put it? So I'm gonna test auto GitHub. Where are you? Here. So then we need to go to property. We're going to allow execute file as a program. So we click this one. Alright, so this time we run this, copy it again. Using another terminal to run the Friday. Alright, good. So now let's see, we don't have food right here. You can see. So now I'm run Friday repo create food. There's no such file. Wait a minute. Alright, sorry. I need to go to user bin. Maybe I copied to the wrong place or something. Straight. Here, I have Friday right here. Why it say that I don't have Friday? I do Friday. What's wrong? If I run again, user bin. See. So before doing it, I need to delete this one. Oh Jesus. Sorry guys. Alright, so then I have to remove the file first. So then I'm gonna copy again. I'm sudo of user bin Friday. So then my password from here. Alright, sorry, what happened? So sudo cp Friday, I'm copy it again to users bin. Alright, great. So now there's no more problem. Alright, I hope this is going to work. Alright, let's do it again. Friday repo create food. Alright, I think it works. Cool. If we refresh this one, great, you can see food from here. So now if I do Friday delete food. Oops, I think I typed the wrong command. Friday. Oh, yeah, I forgot repo. Strange. Friday repo delete food. Oops. Sorry, man. Oops. It's now it has a problem. Let me check real quick. What is the problem? I'm gonna check. Yeah, the way you do create is fine, but I see. I'm not actually do delete. I'm do delete. Huh? Oh my god. What the? Alright, we run again. We can see successfully delete repo. Actually, we can do delete here folder name plus repo right here. Alright, great. So Friday delete food. Alright, so now there's no food to delete, so we actually already deleted. So as you can see, alright, great. Whew. Alright, so now we've done create and delete repository. So what we're gonna do next is to push our projects to the GitHubs and also update it as well. So normally what we do git add and everything, right? So now I will do using shell script to do it. So here we push the project. So I'm actually going to push this project to the GitHub. Alright, so let's see how we do it. So first I'm gonna declare a variable called folder name to get the second argument and also the commit commit message equal to #3. Alright, cool. So now what I'm gonna do is to if the first argument is equal to push push repo. Right, so then what I'm gonna do is to call the function push repo, else if the first equal update, there's one update, so then I would go to here and I do then push 10 update repo. Alright, great. So now I'm gonna create a function push repo here. So when we push our repository, first thing we need is to get init. So because this is the empty, so so then we get init, then we git add remote git remote add origins. So then we need the URL of the our repository. So let's actually go create one repository. So then I will do Friday create projects. Oh no, actually do automation, so you guys can go to check this one. Automate.js. Oh no, git repo create automate.js. Okay, great. So now it's loading. Alright, so it's done. So now if we go in here, so as you can see it's automate.js right here. We click on automate.js, we can see this URL right here. So actually I'm gonna copy this one and go back to my shell scripts. So in here I'm gonna paste this one right here. So I'm gonna put the folder name and then we do git add dot git commit dash m and then message v1. So this is going to be commit msg the message, and then this is when we're going to push it for the first time. Git push -u origins master. Great. So now we actually do update as well. Git add git commit -m. We gotta take the second argument and then do git push. I think that would work. So now let's push our project to the GitHub. So now I'm here in this one. Actually, alright, let's do this in our VS Code. Back in VS Code. Oops, this is wrong. Alright. Now, first we need to copy Friday to the. We need to remove Friday first. Sudo remove or f user bin Friday. This one. Alright, so then we're gonna copy Friday back. cp Friday use or bin. Alright, so now we can do with Friday. So let's do this. Oops, I'm gonna push it this repository, so and then I need to stay in that repository. Alright, great. So then now we do Friday. So we do in here, you can see push repo right here. So Friday push repo, and then our repo name. So our repo name is automate with JS or automate.js or automate.js. Alright, I think, and then we commit a message. I almost forgot this one. Tada! Great. Now let's see. Our commit message is push this one. Git commit. Alright, look at that. How cool is that? So if we refresh this one, you can see now it's in here. So you guys can go and check this one. Now I will leave the link on this description. So now let's say I want to update this one. So here I'm gonna delete this comment. So then I'm gonna git push repo. No, actually we're gonna update. We give a commit message. So I'm gonna say, alright, delete c command t. Yep. Whatever. So this is the message. Oops. What's wrong? Update. Look. This is, I call it update, not update repo, as you can see right here. Great. So now if we do git run as a git update, update repos. I almost forgot. So when we update for Friday, we need to remove and it's Friday, and then we going to copy it back. So that's how we do it. Alright, so do Friday update. We give a message. I'm gonna give it recycle abort do the commit message. What's wrong with that one? String. Everything is up to date. Okay. Alright. So wait a minute. Okay, anyway. So I'm gonna, this is a folder name. It's actually not a folder name anyway, but I need just to get this second argument from here. So don't confuse, thing here is not a folder name, it's just the commit message that we need to do. So then we need to move this one, we copy our Friday backs, and now we're going to run the command. Alright, I'm going to do hello. Alright, delete. Alright, so let's actually do something here. Here I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna update this one. Repository. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna. Oh, actually I'm not saved it yet. So remove it, delete it again. So then right now we're gonna update our repository. Delete, update. Just call update. Alright, cool. So now we'll be able to update our repository. String. Alright. My internet is so slow, so anyway. Alright, so now we've done it. So if I refresh this one, there you go. So you can see our update in here. Alright, so I think that's it for now. Alright, we can be able to create our repository. We delete it, we update it, we push to it. So alright, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. It's really helped me. Alright, so I hope to see you in the next video.